Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add bubbles text effect in your video by using CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app, then tap on new project. Now select your video and then put it on your timeline. In here, the first thing you have to do is to add a text here. Tap on add text and then add the text that you want. Now tap on bubbles, then you guys will find out a lot of bubbles option. You guys can use them in your video and you guys can customize them as you want. These tools are like stickers with text. I'm gonna use this one. And after that, let's use another bubbles here. It's like a note. Now let's add text here. You guys can also change the font and also you guys can add different type of styles in your text. You guys can use animations. Now let's put it here. You guys can make it double or you guys can rotate it like this. Also, you guys can change the text. And you guys can also use emojis here. Now, let's adjust it with the video, and here is the video with bubbles text effect. So this is how you guys can add bubbles text effect in your video by using CapCut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.